Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your REALME 16 5G. So first what you guys want to do is go over and clean the screen sensor area. So it's right at the bottom here. Now we can clean this entire area like this. Let me quickly hold up the phone. Now you want to clean the area carefully and you want to make sure that there's no fingerprints on it. What we're going to do next is we're going to go over and re-roll our fingerprint. So we're going to go to Settings. In the settings, we swipe to Security and Privacy. Now we want to go over to Device Unlock, Face and Fingerprint Unlock and click on our fingerprint. Here, we enter our lock screen password. We click on 3 dots here. Click Delete. Click Delete again. We're going to add a fingerprint now. Click on Add Now. And here we have the sensor. We want to make sure that we go over and cover our entire fingerprint. Now once we unroll the edges, as you guys can see, we should be able to see Done. And we want to make sure that we use the fingerprint for screen unlock. Now what we want to do is we want to go over and see if it works. So now, as you guys can see, it did work. But if it's not working for you, then maybe the in-display sensor is unresponsive. So what you guys want to do is check for software updates. That may fix it. You can go over and scroll down to System and Update, Software Update, and here you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. If you're not, then you will see a button at the bottom to download and install the latest version. As you guys can see, I'm up to date, so I don't have it. But if you're not on the latest version, you will have it. And after you click it, and after downloading and installing, everything should be fixed. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!